So here is how to make $100,000 in the next 90 days if you have any kind of design or development or coding background. And no, I'm not going to try to sell you some course for $100 or pitch you a mastermind for $1,000. We are in the e-commerce business. This is just advice. Number one, go to Google and put dropshipping suppliers. Yes, I know, a lot of people talk about dropshipping, and there are millions of courses out there that promise to teach you dropshipping, but there's really nothing to learn. Find a supplier that works, that is a specific niche. Don't try to find 1,000, 2,000 products. Find 20 to 100 products that you can load onto a website. Two, that website could be a WordPress WooCommerce site, a BigCommerce site, a Shopify site. It literally could be $20 a year hosting or $20 a month. Load those products into that e-commerce site and make sure that it loads fast and it actually looks like a legitimate e-commerce business. Create all the social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Basically, you're building a brand, but all of these things take a few hours. Three, you want to add about 20 to 30 pieces of content on that site. If there's a blog capability, start writing some product guides. For example, if you are trying to sell microphones, and if you've identified top 30 microphones that influencers or podcasters could use, write a guide about that. Go to Google and type top 30 microphones or top microphones for podcasts and see what others have written. If you are not a copywriter, you can use a tool like Jarvis, which is an AI copywriting tool, or you could hire somebody on Fiverr for $10 to $30 to write this piece of content for you. So what is that? You create 20 pieces of content from $20, that's $400, right? You spent maybe, I don't know, $500 to $2,000 of your time and money trying to create this website. And let's say you spent 10 hours researching everything, that's another $1,000. Four, add all the tracking pixels on the website, which is the Facebook tracking pixel, the TikTok tracking pixel, and spend maybe $100 to $200 getting some likes and followers to those social media profiles so it looks like, again, a legitimate business. Five, create a Google Analytics account, submit your sitemap so that the pages and the products start getting indexed. Six, go to Google, type how to submit a press release. There are tools that you can use and they cost anywhere from $100 to $300. You write up a press release about the launch of this exciting brand that specializes in quality microphones. And what that press release will do is it will publish that piece of news to thousands of different places. So now you look like more of a brand and your brand will have more credibility. Now here's where it gets exciting. You have this entity now, you have this brand, you have the products, you have the website, you have the social media profiles. You already have some activity. Message friends and family and have them leave some positive reviews online for you on possibly Google and Facebook. Then we're gonna try to sell this business. So 7, go to philippa.com, which is a website where people list, buy and sell businesses. And there are a couple of other ones like this. So when you go to Google and put sell a business or buy a business, you're gonna see these 5 different websites that will help you list your business. When you're listing the business, identify every single thing that was done. Now, if you wanna amplify this with some custom work, go to LinkedIn, find other companies who sell microphones, not huge companies, obviously, that are doing $100 million. Find companies that are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe up to $9 million. And on LinkedIn, reach out to them and tell them that you've built this brand, but you don't have time to really operate it. And if they would be interested in buying this business. Now, this all works to your benefit if you can get some orders because you have a dropshipper, right? If you can show some financial data, but between us, you really don't have to because you've already built the brand. The value is in the brand. If you selected a nice domain name, a nice.com, and if you created all these different entities and you loaded up the website and it is indexed and it is getting traffic, there is value in this e-commerce business. A lot of business people who want to have an e-commerce business don't know how to build the website, don't know about Shopify, don't know about design, don't know about 4 or 5 tips that I gave you here. So there is value for them. If they go to an agency like Optimum 7 and if they say, build me this, guess what? We're probably gonna charge them more than $100,000. And then step 8 is where you actually sell your business, where you have conversations, where you go to Google again and look at a purchase agreement, right? There are templates on Google, create one, negotiate the price, and you can sell this business, which you will take maybe 90 days creating for $100,000, if not more. How do we know that this works? Because we've done it multiple times. Now go and make that e-commerce money.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on e-commerce, custom development, marketing, and much more. And leave us a comment if you'd like to discuss the contents of this video further.